এই ভাইয়ারা ওই বাচ্চাটা হারাই গেছে উনি বাচ্চাটাকে পাইছে একটু হেল্প করেন না আপনারা Hi, I'm Nazzina Mohsin, Communication Officer with the Cox's Bazar UNICEF office. Right now I am in Balukhali Rohingya Refugee camp. The fire yesterday destroyed almost everything. There's nothing left. Thousands of homes are gone. That means also thousands of children are affected. We had learning centers, wash facilities here, and over there we had more learning centers and nutrition center. We were treating malnourished children there. It's completely gone. Everything will have to start from the scratch now. And the stench in this camp is terrible. It's burning smell and it's very toxic as well. So as you can see that the air quality is really poor here, and it's also very harmful for children as well. There are a number of children missing. We found a number of them. Our partners are on the ground since the fire broke out yesterday, and they've been working round the clock to reunite the children with their families. We are also providing health support, first aid support to the injured in different parts of the camp. The devastation is terrible right now. And it's really heartbreaking and devastating for this Rohingya community who fled Myanmar in 2017 in August to save their lives, and they took shelter in this camp, and they faced floods, landslides. We are in the middle of a pandemic. COVID-19 is not gone, it's still here. And now thousands of families lost their homes, and so many children, thousands of children we're talking about.